We got mail. We DJ Swift on the tour.
Hey. Hey, let me tell you the story about Apparel. Hey, yeah. Let me tell a story about Apparel. It was June 27, 2017. Called off the porch and he was barely fucking 17. Sneaking out the house, his mama know that he been selling weed. Sick and tired of starving there at night, he making ends meet.
What up, 1K gang? It's your boy Bart. Bart lost the 1K. Back again with another banger video. Every video is a banger video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, bring a friend, leave a friend. I'm not sure if I'm in the frame of the camera right now because I'm recording it off that camera. But so like the screen that shows what's going on is facing that way. So yeah, let's get started to the video. I just got home. Just got home. Need to go to the car wash. Gotta get hand wash, of course. We got mail. So yeah, here we go. We got some mail. We got a big package for the Scat. Wonder what it is. Matter of fact, let's open this thing up and see what it is. Okay, face kind of out of the frame. Just because the thing open. I'm trying to set my phone up somewhere so y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. I got the box right here. Y'all gotta bear with me. This would have went a lot faster if I wasn't trying to record. Cut my heart. This motherfucker came with some hardware. Can't get this motherfucker open. Oh, I hear the hardware. Y'all. Yeah. Here we go. The bottom white. I don't know, gang. I don't know. It's like this. Yeah, that's so white. I probably need to get him a call. It's gonna come off. I don't know. I'll mess with that in a minute, y'all. I think they done sold me a white Wicker bill. This is a Wicker bill, man. I think they done sold me a white one. It probably ain't white, it's probably black. But the thing is, the dang on the bottom of it. I wonder if you see the bottom. This supposed to be like this, y'all. This supposed to be all wobbly and stuff like this, y'all. I don't know. Let's go to the car and see. Here, let's take. Man, how the hell? I don't even know how this thing works, man. I'm about to look at some YouTube videos on how this thing even works. I'm so dang on lost.
The next day.
Hold on. What y'all think?
I don't think so. Hold on, let's see. We'll see this video real quick.
Let me see how good It's off of here, right? Huh? Like it's off of here.
Like the way I'm going down with it or not.
Fastest way to do it.
We're pretty even back here.
Center mark. We're gonna.
Hello?
That's center, bro.
2.
3/8 inch bit. That's what you need next.
Wait. I'm gonna put on.
Here, hold this up.
How does this damn cool?
Tell me how this up.
Here I come. This Wicker bill nasty right here.
This way a little bit. They say have flesh is possible.
Flush is possible.
Yeah. I guess that hole is good. That's pretty flush.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm tripping. All right, we good, fellas. Time to drill.
You want some tape to mark it up and leave it up here though?
No?
I'm
drilling through that.
Oh, you're drilling through.
I don't think they want to drill through the big yeah.
He's drilling through this.
No, they don't drill through the wicker bill, just the spoiler.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I thought they drilled through the spoiler.
I'm saying I want to drill through the wicker bill and stretch the hole out.
Oh, okay, I got you. That makes perfect sense. Yeah, nephew.
All right. Let's see what's the right sides. Let's see what the right size is. Yeah, 3/8?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably like a 3/8.
install. So we have our first
Watching the video, y'all. I know I ain't commentating. Doing no commentary. I don't even know if I'm in the camera for real.
that will be a tight fit.
We ain't commentating too good because we trying to learn as we go. First time for everything. Player.
Don't be fit, so that way it doesn't get damaged.
Maybe it's this big one. They got a pretty big bit.
So we have our first mark. We can drill our first hole. Get our first bit cut. We're using a 3/8" bit here. That will be a tight fit for the rib nuts that we do provide you. Sometimes you may need to hog it out or make the hole.
Hang on, 3/8. I knew it was bigger. You talking about smaller. That's right.
Shit, that's that?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, cool. I thought it. Hey, bro, I swear I thought it was.
Yeah, 3/8.
Yeah, I swear I thought it was. What's it called, man?
Let's go. You know how to use this, Nate?
What, the drill?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how to use a drill, but I don't want to be held accountable for messing your shit up.
Sure.
Is he going in at an angle though? Cause I think he going. I don't think he's going to angle though.
You don't angle it? I don't know the difference. Let's go poke these holes, gang. We mess up, man. We gonna have to go get another spoiler.
Nah, bro. You don't want to mess up if you ain't got to.
Don't do that there, brother. You're making me nervous. All right, gang. Get ready to drill the hole. Golly.
You got some fucking monsters, bro. Some mini polar bears.
Scared, y'all. Ain't gonna lie, I'm scared, y'all.
That drill charge? Yep, you good.
How they have it?
Yep,
Like that.
yep.
Don't be scared of no pressure on it.
Yeah, you don't want it, so you gotta put pressure on it to keep it from sliding. Hold on, let me get you a towel first. Hold on.
You
You don't want no scratch right
Yeah, I'm scared. Yeah. I'm gonna drill the hole in the soil, y'all.
They gonna stay? Nah, it don't matter.
You gonna have to hold it until you get it on there.
First hole is in.
Hold that real quick.
I did pretty good, y'all.
Marks
How far down do it go?
usually helps if you have a second person to hold, mount it up.
All right, now how you use
More
it?
than 1.5.
Stick
So
it
we
in the
have
hole.
the hole. Mikey's gonna install
Put it in the.
We're gonna thread that all the way down to the base of.
Look. How you use this?
Put it in though.
Try to squeeze it in there.
I drilled a better hole. I think.
How the heck you get one hole?
Yeah. They probably stopped the video and got it off. Yeah, put it over so I don't even count it.
Is it unscrewed all the way? Huh? No, it's still unscrewed. You gotta keep unscrewing it again.
Me. I ain't see him do all this in the video.
You know they cut that out.
Mm-hmm. Should have pulled it in the garage. No, we need that sunlight.
Yeah, I'm about to say we use that light. So yeah, what the video, so? So they just
Over
we
there.
just do the
on
circle
phone.
hole in there now.
Yeah, you might as well. Just make sure it's sitting down all the way where you want it before you mark your holes.
They say leave a little gap off the deck lid.
Oh, it is.
Dang, what happened to the
What, the cat?
tip of the thing?
Oh, it should still be in there. Unless
You
it
probably
came off.
pushed it in.
Yeah, is it in there? Like the ones that lyric up. You beating them buds?
Hey,
Like,
shit.
where the tip at?
Oh, a chip. Yeah, what the tip at?
Is it still in there?
I don't know. But I guess we can take the wicker bill off, huh?
You wanna take it off?
That way I can drill the holes. I don't want to drill through it because I want to make these holes too big and the screw don't fit.
Oh yeah.
Feel me? I just put that in there to hold it up.
Your thing,
I
partner.
don't want that to be in. I ain't know how durable that plastic was. Alright, cool.
I'm finna see watch the rest of the video.
Hey, turn the video back on. So, no, you the video, man. You supposed to be having the video playing.
So now you know what I'm doing.
Whoop, whoop. Let me put that on there. So then we put that on there.
Alright, cool.
Damn, did I step on this? Yeah, I got a footprint on this mug. I done stepped on this mug.
I was gonna say. Damn, girl. Stop walking around on me.
Man, that dog so annoying, man. I apologize about the dog, man. I don't, that's the neighbor's dog. That thing loud. Alright, we got center one. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes drilled. Now we gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Ready?
Good game. What's your favorite?
Crazy.
What that shit?
The dog.
Man,
That's why I stopped my video, cause that dog. It was so loud. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? You know that the camera, that the speaker pick up even louder.
oh yeah, I ain't thinking about that.
Love.
Alright, gang, go cut that back over, man. We get somewhere. Hold on, shut up.
What?
Hold on, good. That's why I got the air.
I ain't really worried about nothing.
Shit, nigga, I don't want you to scratch that paint. Cause even though it feels soft, it's like really hard on the paint still. That's why I was trying to blow all that shit off just in case when our clothes brush up against it, they don't drag it.
No, look at me. I toss.
What?
See if we still recording. Yeah, we still recording. Okay, gang. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. I kind of messed up this one a little bit. There we go, right there. Kind of messed that one up a little bit, but it's still a circle. Boom. I put the billet in that one. So we're gonna wipe this thing off. We're gonna put the rest of the riblets. Riblets. I don't even know how to pronounce it for real. Riblets, whatever it is. We're gonna put them things in. What's up, man?
What's poppin'?
You just staring at me, man. What's up?
Nah, I'm cool, bro.
Shout yourself out.
Life of vibe, man. I ain't dropped a video yet, but I'm gonna drop real soon, though. Just waiting,
You
patient.
said that the last video, so they probably gonna get on your head.
Hey, man.
We did
With
the
this
pedal
little
commander.
ugly ass car I got him on. You feel me? It take a little patience, bro.
You get your footage, Nate? You get you something before I put this on? Oh my God. Shave Boy TV, man. Slowest man in the world.
What's up
He
with
trying to
stuttering, brother? You gotta get that out of control, man.
I'm gonna clean this up real quick so we get ready to put that on. Alright. You gonna say, yeah, we don't promote the.
No, we ain't gonna say that. Do that. That's too federal.
Alright.
So what goes first? This one?
Yeah, that go first.
What side to go on first?
They both are the same.
That doesn't make a big difference.
Hey, hold on, gangs.
What happened? But then none of it lined up right there.
That ain't even lined up right here.
At all?
At all.
You lying.
I don't even know how you gonna get this one in. Unless he scoot it down. Oh, there you go.
Oh shit, bro.
I'm a superstar. Can't even see myself.
I'm just trying to put it in place.
Oh.
I'm just trying to put it in place.
12 screw. No, don't screw it.
No, I ain't screwing the other way in.
I'm just trying to make sure they know it's lining up in place.
See, this one gonna have to come down like this, Bart.
It's all bent up, bro. You gotta start tightening them up before you know what I mean? I'll show you. This way.
That was gonna be hard again.
Let it go.
Just need to get washed now, brother.
Wicker bill on the wide body. Oh, done.
Oh, I got that fire.
Yeah, that was well needed.
Yeah, that's hard, gang, for sure.
That was definitely well needed.
Definitely hard.
Seth got the waves.
D Major, baby.
Finished product. Final result. Yeah, that's hard.
That go hard.
I gotta get a wash though.
God.
Yes, sir. We putting this mug together, man.
Gotta sip up the stuff.
Okay, gang, about to wrap up that video because that video kind of long, pretty long. So I'm gonna go and wrap it up. Y'all see the finished product, everything. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, bring a friend, leave a friend. It's your boy Bart Lawson 1K. I'm out, man. Appreciate everybody for tuning in.
I'm a nigga, I'm gon' lie. I can't do shit on your time. I got money